queen in a palace grand. R is for rabbit,